Welcome to problem solving. Today we are going to continue with our cubes. Quick reminder that C stands for circling key numbers that may be in word form or in standard form. U is for underlining the question that we may need to reread. B is for boxing math action words. We're going to keep studying these all year, math action words. E is for evaluating, maybe drawing a picture if you need some help. And then S is for solving and double checking that you have the correct answer. Now, for C and D, I'm going to give you, I believe we are on E. So you are going to evaluate. I'm still going to box the action words because sometimes those are tricky to find, and we'll study those more when we look at solving addition and subtraction word problems. So first, we always read the whole question. Connor read 537 pages of his Harry Potter book last week. Today, he read 144 more. How many pages has he read so far? First thing we do is circle important numbers. Circle the important numbers. Second thing you do is underline the question. Underline the question. The third thing we do is box our keywords. Now this one is kind of tricky because it doesn't have a specific keyword, but the one that I see is more that tells us what we have to do. Because he read 537 last week, and then he read 144, and we're trying to figure out how much he read so far. That's adding. So more for this question, sometimes it doesn't mean addition, means addition. We always have to reread and make sure it makes sense. Are we adding or are we subtracting? Now that is all I am going to do for this problem solving. You will need to evaluate, write out the addition sentence, and solve. Let's move on to D. Nicole baked 382 cookies and 217 brownies. Holy moly, that's a lot for the bake sale. How many treats did she bake in all? Friends, we've seen that word before, in all. I already know that that is a math word, a math keyword. And we did this, I believe, on Tuesday, and it means that we need to add. In all means we had to add. Now, you will need to circle the important numbers. You'll need to underline the question. We already boxed our keyword. We figured out what we have to do with the numbers. Now you need to evaluate and solve. Now, one thing I want you to remember that I had to remind a lot of people of, when you write out the number, please tell me what the number means. Is it 382 bikes? No, 382 cookies. Make sure that you write out what they are, okay? When you write out 537 pages, you are adding 2 groups of pages. The second one, you're adding cookies and brownies. When you are finished, you can move on to the next one.